Okay, this is a funny one. The bug, obviously, because I forgot to do a thing before starting the game. The other one doesn't have or something. This is funny. What is it? I was trying to have it return. I was having trouble with it not returning all the way to the player. So what I did was I tried to have it draw a new Bezier curve on its way back to the player. But I forgot to handle the T positioning. So it's doing a reverse T positioning. And it's doing some weird curve that's not supposed to be doing. That's funny though. Oops, someone. Let's see. that's like I don't know. I'll try to find a way to save that functionality. That'll be funny. My dumbass accidentally forgot to set T to 0. So just staying in position. I set T to 1 by accident. Which is 0. Alright, let's see. Up here, set T to 0. Change the post equal. Alright, hopefully this should work. There we go. Oop. Oh, what the hell? It's like a double bound. But why did the updated point supposed to go to player position? Okay. Stand by. So I'm a complete idiot. Let's see where it is. So I completely forgot there are 3 points to a Bezier curve. P0, P1, P2. P2 is the endpoint. P1. So what I was having it do is I was having it go from P0, P2, like to follow the curve. And then instead of going back to, and then having to build a new curve, but instead of having to build a curve from here to here, I had to build a curve from here to here, here. And that's why I was doing that. That's actually pretty cool. I'm going to have to keep that in mind for a future skill. So a stupid little mistake might have burst an ability in the future. So let me write that down in my Trello. Boom. Okay. So accidental bug to potential future skill. Accidentally had return curve. Oops, that was accidentally wrong. Go from in reverse from original name P2, P1, P2 instead of P. I just realized something. I overcomplicated the actual thing that I wrote. So I did all this work, all this stuff. But really all I needed to do was have the check be right here and just have it do P2, P2, P1, P0. And I can get rid of like half of this code. All right, I'll be back when I do that. Okay, so now the issue is this. It goes to my previous, it goes to the position where I was when it first shot, then it follows me. And when it follows me after that, always homes in on me. So go to where I first went and oh wait. No, these still kind of they still kind of get her off. You can see better in this one. Alright, let's see if I can pick. Wait, it could be this suspicious 2 lines of code right here. That seems to be the thing that I might need. Alright, I figured it out. So it's this distance thing right here. So and if we go into hook, the distance was 0. When it's 0, it does that. But if it's 100, it does that. Look at that smooth motion. I'm sure I could tweak the value to get it even better. Whoa, that's a little fast though. Oh, why is that instant? So instant. I'm gonna have to do something about that. I guess that's next thing effect. But anyway, something even cooler. I accidentally made a new ability. Where's the projectile? By adding these 2 here, which I copied from this for the set destination. I was like, oh, maybe if I call these 2 again in set destination, it will fix the issue. It didn't fix the issue, but it did something really cool. Watch this. Look at that. Okay, wait. So let's see. I want to try something. So what if we set deviation distance to 200? That might make it cross further out. Yes, it did. A little too far though. Let's do 150. Okay, now I think you gotta keep it down to 100. 100 is the best looking. I just want to see if we get a little. Maybe we can do like 110. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, so if I do like 115, let's do 115. That's pretty cool. Okay, I like that. That's pretty cool. You know, they're active projectiles the whole time. So they're even when they're returning. So, yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. All right. I shall return when I figure out the hook issue. All right. I fixed the hook, and now both this really cool ability and the hook work perfectly. Look at that. What I had to do was the hook worked perfectly fine with the old version, but it didn't work with the new version. So I had to separate out the hook from the new version and put it with the old version and rewrite the old version. So I have the hook. So like if type is not hook, and it does that stuff. Else, this is the first type is hook, and it does the regular one. So if it's the hook shot, it does not draw a new Bezier curve going back. It simply it doesn't switch the origin in the end point going back. It simply just goes back because it worked just fine. But for some reason, there are other projectiles. When I did it the normal way, when they came back, they would despawn well before hitting the character. But they would always hit the point every time, the destination point. So I reverse that. So they hit the destination point, perfect. Then it reverses, and then it works. Now I got them both working. Let's find out what I have to do next. Yay! That might be it for this video, though. Alright. Yeah, I think that might be it for this video. I don't know. We'll find out if there's another piece directly after this one. Okay, so it seems like there is one more thing to try to fix. I disabled the wavy parts, and now I can kind of see more clearly what's going on here. Going as smooth, and then it goes, just shoots back up. Now, why is it doing? Now, my think is it's using it's using the default angle. So let's see if we reduce the default angle. It's 35. Make it. Okay. Let's make it the same values as the bone. I still call it bone ring because it was a bone originally, but now I'll make it this 30 and 33. So it can't be the default angle then. This does. No, this does not even use it anymore. Now, what is causing? Well, I'll see you guys when I figure that out. Okay, so this was caused by setting deviation distance way high, cranking that up, and then doing these, enabling these, but adding deviation angles. Let's see what it looks like when I minus the deviation angle. Oh! And mind you, it does damage that whole time. That is so cool. There's so many things we can mess with. Looks like I'm ugly. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna make. I don't know what the hell I'm making. This is gonna be fun. Okay. Shoo! Yoo! I hope the functions as normal. I really like that motion I was able to make for the hook shot. That feels really nice. There's one like a quick like shoo, and then come back and slow. Shoo. That's wrong with a lot better than that. I don't even know what to say about this thing now. This is fun. Okay. I'm losing track. I gotta figure out why it was doing those massive zooms in the first place. Okay, so back to it. Okay, so I am an idiot. The problem was, so let me show you it working first. Boom, boom, boom. Was I had this set to P1 from earlier when I forgot about the whole P2 situation. See? Boom. That's why. P2. Now it's nice and smooth. And now I can go ahead and having fun tweaking these values and these two equations in order to create really fun effects. So I'm going to do a lot of that. But first I have to clean up this file. And that's the next. But hey, projectiles. Projectiles are finished. Cleaned up we're cleaning up is the next part. Figuring out all of the abilities that I want to do. There's a lot of things I could do. A lot of cool math that I could throw around here that I do not understand. Okay, I took trig. So I understand the radians, I understand Bezier curves. I understood how it's calculated. It's been a lot. But let's see, let's see. Let me check minus EV Shane. Well, just to be sure. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's good. Boom, look at that. Look at how smooth those are. Oh, it was worth it. It was worth it in the end. And then if I want to be... Sorry. Do I even need to do this then? Let's see. Let me see. Yeah, no, I didn't even need to do that. But I can use these. Make some fun stuff. Wait, oh, wait, did I not do the thing? Then if I have to do that, and then I have to do E1. Yep, okay, that's how it does it. Alright. But then it does the bumping out thing. Okay. Didn't the plus smooth it out a little bit, or was I just kind of like seeing things? The plus got rid of the. Okay. Whoops. Oh, okay. Negative. Oh, that's negative. So that's deviation angle times negative. Then, okay, so let me see. And then divided by 2. Alright. Let's try times 2. See what that does. Uh-huh. Okay, what if I do times 1.5? Okay, well, there's an ability right there. I just have to remember this. And the P0 has to be equal to P1 at the beginning. Obviously, alright. This is massive fun though. Yeah, ignore the how many does this? Ignore that. This code base is a mess. I'm about to clean up right now. I cleaned up player. Player. It's all cleaned up and documented probably. That way I can go back to it and understand everything. And have some detailed explanations and wherever I need them. That's what I'm about to do next week. But alright, I guess do the next part. Even work on this that long. Let's see, this is all 6 hours of work. Yeah, that's 6 hours of work. Not that bad. I shall see you guys in the next one. So I'm ending it for sure this thing. Yeah. 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 think. I don't know. Should I? Yeah, maybe. Indeed.